Do you like Kawasaki rotary valve engines? Do you even know what a rotary valve engine is? Well, if you do, I have the website for you. First, go to or search thejunkmanadv.com or the link in the description. Click on the Kawasaki rotary valve motorcycle identification and specifications button, and that'll take you to the main page. Here you'll find a list of all the displacements that had a rotary valve model from 1965 to 2001. Click on the appropriate displacement range to list all the models that fit under that displacement. Also, you can see engine numbers, frame numbers, carburetor settings, wiring diagrams, and other specifications and helpful repair tips for each model and or segment. Also included, where applicable, is important restoration information for accurate restorations, the changes between model years, and other parts that may differ between bikes and or models. This is a passion project for me. I'm doing this just because I want to see this information out there on the internet. I put together this catalog. It is comprehensive of every rotary valve model that Kawasaki made between 1965 and 2001 that were mostly US models, but there are some European and Asian domestic market models in here too. It is pretty comprehensive. However, I am still looking for information. If you have more information, see some omissions or some errors, please contact me via my contact page. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to put out more videos like this that help foster the sport and the restoration hobby for accurate and information sharing. This stuff is getting harder and harder to find, and I wanted a more centralized repository for some of this information that many young procurers of these bikes may have. So I thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe and check out my website, check out my merch store. The ads on the site obviously help pay for the hosting and keep this information up on the internet, so I thank every click and every view of this video and my other videos that help further this endeavor.